Stay. Oof. That one. No, not the whole thing. I'll probably just turn the top for now. Oh, or maybe the bottom. I don't know. Pulled this off my mother-in-law's farm. It's well and truly hardwood. Not sure what coloured hardwood it is, but it is a hardwood. I think maybe I'm going to go with that end. Let's get turning. Actually, I'm going to go this end. I'm going to go this end and make a small hollow form, but keeping the squareness. That's my plan anyway. So let's go and get it cut. We have red gum! Yay! Red gum! That's all glued in, it's all nice and hard. I have a confession to make. I really like turning in bare feet. I do. It's a... yeah, I really do. Can't stop myself. Turning in bare feet. with a shop cat. Bare feet.
Let's get turning this.
It's a real struggle. I think I need to invest in maybe some easy wood tools. Hey, Easy Wood Tools, if you're listening to this, I'll put your tools to the test. Australian hardwood. But yes, no, I think Easy Wood Tools. Yes, I think I need to invest in some. Because these Chinese imitations are kind of not cutting it. Yes, easy wood tools, I think. Hardwood, it's end grain. Yeah, we're struggling a little bit. Oh, no matter, no matter. Right, Triple E Ultra Shine. And shallow axe. Now we wait 20 minutes. There we are, my project for this week. The top part of a fence with gold gilding in there. Ooh, it's like it glows, like there's a candle, but there's nothing. Ah, there, see, nothing. So yes, so the wood ended up being red gum, which most of the farms around the place have either ironbark, yellow box or red gum. I got the red gum. It's pretty, it's really dense. Yeah, gave my tools a bit of a beating. But hey, that's expected. with Australian hardwoods. And yeah, because of that beating, I really didn't like the finish on the inside. So yeah, I put the gold leaf in. Yeah, and I really like that process. It's so you put the, where's the glue? So you put the leaf glue in, wait for 20 minutes, and then you stick the whatever leaf you've got. I like the gold because it's a bit of a contrast, sort of like a glowing bit of fire, especially with it being the end of the fence post. I thought with all these really cool, it looks like a bit of fire, or like a cracked dragon egg. There goes my cracked dragon egg. Rah! Here I am. Although if you got me as a dragon, you'd want to put me back. No mother of dragons wants this one. No, joking. My mother loves me. Anyway, moving on. Yes, this is my project for this week. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you next week. I apologise for not getting a video out sooner, but with Easter, my birthday, and Anzac Day all falling within 1 week of each other, it's been a bit hectic around here. Plus a lot of personal stuff that's going on. You'll find out about that later. Anyway, this is my project. I'll call it the Fence Post Dragon Egg. I'll see you all soon. Stay awesome. Remember to be awesome. Remember, that piece of wood that you were going to throw in the fire, pick it up, play with it, make it into something. If it turns out bad, well, you still got firewood. Anyway, I'll see you all soon. Stay awesome, guys. See yous.